This video is sponsored by the YouTube Millionaire Kit, but more on that later. The one thing that I hope for everyone to know is faceless YouTube channels. Faceless YouTube channels simply mean that you create videos on YouTube but don't show your face. Now that's a cheat code in content creation. Why? Your channel makes money just as those that show their faces. You are not faced by bad or negative comments from the viewers. Since there is no face attached to the videos, the viewers don't have to first judge how you look or speak before they subscribe, watch or engage your videos. You can run faceless YouTube channels from anywhere around the world. In this video, I'm going to give you 10 easy ideas or topics that you can take on for your faceless YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's get in. 1. Football. Data shows that over 3 billion people around the world watch or follow football. This means that consumption of football related content is equally high, and so its demand. With football content, however, you have to be overly careful because it has one of the most stringent copyright checks on content. The best way to do football related content is doing analysis on teams, formations, the way they play, etc. An example of such a channel is Football Made Simple, which uploads videos about deep analysis of formations of teams. And according to Social Blade, a site that tracks creators' growth and estimates their revenue, this YouTube channel makes averagely $1,700 per month. I'm taking the upper estimate because although Social Blade does the estimates, most creators, if not all, have confessed that these estimates are usually low according to their actual earnings from YouTube. Number 2, celebrity news. The beauty with this kind of content idea is that you're creating content about something that's already being given attention. You are adding attention on top of existing attention. A video about Nicki Minaj's Pink Friday 2 album may not seem unrelatable because people already know who Nicki Minaj is. But just like football, be careful with copyrights, especially using their music in your videos. Their music is highly protected with copyrights, so using it may lead to copyright issues for your YouTube channel. An example of such a channel is Then and Now, which profiles celebrity transformations. And still taking the upper estimate from Social Blade, this channel makes an estimated $13,000 per month. Idea number 3, with morning devotion or prayer. According to a desert survey, 6 in 10 people pray while 39% meditate. I'm sure you pray every morning going to work or run your errands. If you don't, then you may know 1 or 2 people who actually do. Imagine someone who wakes up at 3 a.m. in the morning to your notification of the day's verse, short prayer or preaching. Would be nice, wouldn't it? I believe yes. As you may continue to learn, such content gives you many returning views and therefore a lot of income. An example of such a channel is Grace for Purpose Prayers, which posts prayers on a daily basis, and according to Social Blade, it makes an estimated of $20,000 per month. And before we go to number 4, let me shout out the sponsor of this video, the YouTube Millionaire Kit. The YouTube Millionaire Kit is a kit designed by me and my team that helps you to start your YouTube career and start making money on day one. Has prefigured out for you products like SaaS, websites, Discord channels, mobile apps, etc. that you can launch to scale your business to multiple 4, 5, 6 or 7 figures per month of monthly recurring revenue or annual recurring revenue. It features 20 best niches that you can do, explained on how you can do them with a 4-week game plan on how you can get your first 1,000 subscribers, 10 tested video ideas for each of the 20 niches, 10 pre-designed thumbnails for each of the 10 videos for each of the 20 niches. You only need to make a few edits in Canva to customize them for your YouTube channel. They are also A and B tested. Scripts for each of the 10 videos for the 20 niches. Recommended for you equipment that can film videos in your niche. An ebook template designed for each of the 20 niches to help you make passive income on day one of you launching your YouTube channel. You'll simply edit, put them on sale, and immediately you can start making money on day one. Affiliate marketing sources for each of your niches so that you can start making money on day one. Templates on how to pitch brands for brand deals. A free productivity planner for your YouTube channel. At the time of filming this video, the Millionaire Kit is still being designed. Jump onto my newsletter I'll contact you as soon as it's launched. Link in the description box below. Number 4, ASMR or simulating videos. Have you ever had to listen or watch rain so that you can catch some sleep? Have you ever had to listen to soothing sounds to meditate? These are commonly called brain massages. Common examples of ASMR content is rain sounds, water flowing, pages turning, etc. ASMR videos are usually several hours long. Someone can play a 2-hour rain video to help them to catch some sleep. An example of such a channel is Sleep Soundly Rain, which makes an estimated $16,000 per month according to Social Blade. Number 5, relationships. Without a doubt, love is a fuel in our lives. It's food for our hearts, whether it's romantic relationships, between partners, or bonding moments with family members. We all love and are loved in one way or the other. Relationships by far have such an available audience that would consume that particular kind of content, and therefore good growth for your YouTube channel. By default, everyone has or is fostering a relationship, whether it's a romantic relationship or one with family members. An example is this YouTube channel, Storytime, which posts relationship-related content, and according to Social Blade, is estimated to make over $5,000 per month. Number 6, worst, best, most content. The cheat code with this content type is that it already keeps you on the edge of your seat, right from the title itself. Imagine you're scrolling through your YouTube app and see a title like the 10 scariest cities in the world. You'd be intrigued to watch it, isn't it? Not only that, you'll be on the edge of your seat from the time they start the countdown from number 10 all the way to number 1. Just like ASMR videos, they have a very insane level of retention because the viewer watches the entire video waiting for that very last pointer. One example of such a channel is this channel called Top 5s, which posts top 5, 10, or 15, or 20 of the most rewarding and hilarious things. According to Social Blade, this channel is estimated to make around $53,000 per month. Number 7, reaction videos. Just like the previous idea, reaction videos also keep you on the edge of your seat. That means that they also have insane levels of viewer retention. Reaction videos are simply a creator reacting to hilarious things, happenings, past events like a movie that just premiered, a football match that just ended, an artist who just outstayed an album, etc. Such an example is this channel called Kiki's Tea, which reacts about celebrities' news and happenings, and according to Social Blade, it is estimated to make about $8,300 every single month. Idea number 8, TikTok compilations. I believe that this is one of the easiest piece of content because you already have available content. The only thing you're doing is joining up different videos and putting them together to make one. An example of such a channel is this channel called Monstro, which posts TikTok compilations, and according to Social Blade, it's estimated to make around $9,000 every single month. Idea number 9, copyright-free music or sound effects. If you've watched this video to this point and have loved the idea of being a YouTuber, you may just have joined the long queue of millions of creators around the world who are looking every single day for copyright music for their videos. That simply means that you may as well be the one to fill up that void. Start a YouTube channel that provides sound to creators, sound in terms of copyright-free music and sound effects, and you'll really be doing great for yourself. An example of such a YouTube channel is this channel called Infraction No Copyright Music, which makes averagely $20,000 per month as per estimated by Social Blade. Idea number 10, a faceless channel teaching how to grow faceless channels. Surprised, right? I bet you're not. Obviously, this idea is best for anyone who has taken up any of the 9 ideas that I have talked about in this video or has an experience growing a faceless YouTube channel. Many people out there want to start faceless YouTubing but are looking out for the deeper information of the do's and don'ts of how to grow faceless YouTube channels, what niches are the best, the needs of what niche, the expectations involved, etc. An example of such a YouTube channel is this channel called Geekbot AI, which has grown to over 10,000 subscribers with just about 6 videos. And this brings us to the end of this video. See you on the next one. Peace out.